now, interestingly, it's updating on its exposure to Russia in relation, of course, to the invasion of Ukraine. Maybe you can explain why that would be included. I mean, I know that many companies are doing it, but does Russia make up any sort of significant portion of its business?
No, but I think Serko's been trading on a macro theme when Serko very much is a growth disruption story. So, it's one of my favourite little businesses, emerging technology businesses. You probably picked up on that I raise it quite a bit in my in my time with you. But it's a business that signed this big contract with Booking.com. It is now very much the infrastructure behind Booking for Business. They have over 400,000 SME customers now registered on that or migrated onto that Booking for Business platform. Their job is very much to engage with Serko. Now, Serko just updated the market to say, hey, yes, we don't have any direct exposure to Russia, but Booking.com does have a small exposure to Russia. So I think that's why I just want to clarify that with the market. But also the fact that it looks like that Booking for Business is starting to ramp. We met with management 2 weeks ago. They indicated that Booking for Business was running at about 120% of their last October numbers. So obviously had a big Omicron downtrend, and now we're very much moving up. 2 weeks later, they're saying it's now running at 130% of October numbers. So that Booking for Business platform is starting to ramp, and that looks like a really exciting story.
Okay, so apologies. I don't know where its share price is sitting today. Is there still room for this share price to rise in Serko?
So just in my back of the envelope numbers, at the moment, yeah, they have been severely disrupted by business travel through the COVID. But they have now 3 key prongs, and probably almost 4 as they enter into the US. So they've got Australia, which are very, very strong, and have management said that they have had 100% or 100% of contract renewals in recent times. New Zealand, which are very strong. Booking for Business, which is their gateway into Europe, and could potentially be a very, very good business in time. So Booking for Business currently is tracking at about 100 million revenue, which Serko shares about 50% in. Booking.com want that business to grow to $1 billion business. Then they've had some good wins in the US, which but it's still at fairly nascent stages. So Serko is trading at around about a $600 million market cap. It should be able to do 100 million revenue in the foreseeable future. It should be able to do a lot more than 100 million revenue in the foreseeable future. And if it does, yeah, I think it's still very early stages for that share price.